your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Amazon has arrived. Mail call! Wow. So how's it going out there? Welcome everybody, Larry here. Get the trusty old Kachui out. Get that going. Let's see what we got here. Mr. Announcer got this for me.
Not quite.
And he got this for himself, kind of. He got a...
It's a pen pouch.
So, I said he got this for me, and he said not quite, but I'll just let him think that. What are you going to do with it?
Well, I'll put my pens in there. If you still know where they are.
That was funny. Yeah, I know where they're at. Well, that was a good one. Sorry, folks. I needed a good laugh. And la la la. Your eyeballs come out there and like a la. Does he stand up like a la 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 la? There, the penguin. There you go. Well, that, my friends, is gonna take care of that. And so, what's the latest going on here in Fort Worth, Tarrant County? What is going on here? Well, a lot's going on here. So, let's share the news with you guys. Well, the virus here in Tarrant County is just all over the place. I mean, it's broke 1,000 easy. It's been high for the last 5-6 days. So, they're asking people to wear the mask and do the distance. They haven't so far put a lockdown as of yet. That could change at any time. But what I know Starbucks in Fort Worth has done, now they didn't have to do this, but this will be into effect Wednesday night when they close. So Thursday morning, customers are still allowed in to order their drinks, but they're not going to be able to sit in the dining room. They can use the patio outside, which is cool. And, Starbucks already has it down inside the store where you're 6 feet apart. So they're following all the rules, keeping everybody safe. And so the reason why Starbucks has chosen this is to help make sure they're going to do all they can to keep their partners and customers as safe as possible. And so, with that said, now we usually go to the park, or we may just sit out in the patio, and of course we'll have our mask on. And
when you say we, you mean your little group of coffee friends?
A little groovy group of coffee friends, yes. And we'll kind of hang out together and do the groove, you know what I'm saying, all like that. Voila. So anyway, I just had to do that, you know what I'm saying? I just had to do that. Oh, I'm mortified. So anyway, what else has been going on? I guess that's it. Yeah. Well, okay. Well, I'll be putting together a video here probably tomorrow. It's going to be a Monteverde pen for sure. And then I will be doing an update on the newest Fountain Pen Revolution pen that I got in, because I'm waiting for something to come in that I want to use with that pen. Okay? So, folks, that's going to wind it up for today. Thank you for joining me on Mail Call today. That's it, folks. Oh, take care. Peace. Love. Now let's get serious. And as always, remember, don't text and drive. How about that serious? Bye.